You are going to love the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.